Alright, so we are going to show you how to create graphs, and we're going to start by using creating a bar graph. So what you want to do first is you want to get this link right here. It's from create a graph. I'm going to copy it, and then you want to go to a new screen. Alright, so we are at creategraph.com, and what we're wanting to do first is we're going to create a bar graph. And so we want to, so we want it to be vertical, we want it to be, let's see here, let's just make it cylinder shape for fun. Okay, background color, we're going to make kind of aqua-y, I guess. I think this would be cool. And then, yeah, that's good. We'll make it 3D for fun too. Okay, we're going to update our info. Now we're going to type in our data. We're going to give, so we're going to call this African Americans or blacks only in 2000 by region. Our x-axis is going to be labeled regions, and then our y-axis is going to be labeled population percentage. Our source is census.gov, that's where we found our information, and we're only having 4 regions. So we have Northeast, Midwest, South, and West. Those are our regions, and then our data points are 17.6, 18.8, 54.8, and 8.9. And we are done with our data. Now we go to labels. Show labels, yes. Let's see, we can have label color be that. Background color we'll do it to this. We're also going to change the type because we want percentage. So we're going to do percentage of total. Let's use this type of font color black, font size 14, that looks good. We're going to update it, and then we're going to preview it, and that looks awesome. So we really are happy with our graphs, and so we're going to update our information, and then you want to print and save. Now Meredith's going to show you how to do a line graph now.
Once you have completed your first graph, you're going to see this screen, and you're going to go to Start a New Graph and click OK, which takes you back to the first page that we originally saw. And our next type is going to be a line graph, so you want to click on that icon, which takes you similarly to what you saw before with the bar graph. And you can really make this whatever you want, it doesn't matter, and click Update because that's like our save button. Then you want to go down to the next, and once you start typing, everything that you previously put should be still up there, so we're going to give it the same title. Make sure our x-axis are the same with the y, which is population percentage, and our source, which is of course the same. Items, you want to do it to 4, which is the number of regions we have. And make sure that all of this looks good. If you want to make the points a different color from your lines, that is perfectly acceptable too. So item number, of course, applies to which region you would like to have it represent. And so you're going to type out your 4 regions, and of course the values that correspond to both of those. So we have 18.8, 54.8, and then 8.9. Once all that looks good, you're going to click Update again. Go down to the next, which are labels. Again, we're going to go percentage of total because it's the population percentage of the total population. Make sure all this looks good. Pick whatever font you'd like and click Update again. Once all that's finished, you're going to go over to Preview so we can see what our graph looks like, and it looks pretty good. Don't forget that a line graph, it has all of our points connected to show kind of like the relationship between one another. So if that looks good, you don't need to change anything, click Update, and then go on to Print and Save. And now David is going to teach you about our third and final graph, which is the pie graph.
Alright, for the final graph, we're going to take the same information and make a pie chart. So you can click here on pie, You're going to want it to be solid. Background color white. We're going to leave it 2D, so that's okay. Click Update. Going to move on to data. We're going to have the same title of the graph, and once again, same information from census.gov. Also, once again, we have the same regions here. Also, with the same data. That's right? Oh. And we're going to want this into four slices because there's only 4 regions. So once you're done with that, you're going to click Update. You can move down to labels. We want this graph to be the percentage of the whole. It's a pie chart. Everything else looks like it's alright. Click Update. From here you can click Preview. And here's our pie chart broken up evenly by colors. Here's our 4 regions. And that's really all there is to it. Once again, you could update it. From there, you can print or save. So now with this screencast, you should be able to make your own graphs. So go out and try, and you can always email us if you have any questions.